Mike from Kapawa Bee Shop here. We're going to show everybody how to make sure you're adjusting your mask properly when you're wearing it out in the water. So one thing you want to do is make sure you're not over tightening your mask. This can happen by you just cinching down the strap too tight on your face, and it makes it so tight that it cuts off circulation around your eyes and on your face and pools blood right underneath the mask, making a hot spot on your face, creating fogging. So what you want to do first is kind of demonstrate to yourself, how tight should my mask be? So to do that, pull the strap out of the way, put it to your face, take a little breath in through your nose, hold your breath, and that's about as tight as your mask should be, just enough to create the seal nice and soft on your face. Now to put the mask on, you're just going to do the same thing, where you put the strap over your head, and the strap in itself is going to come right across the top of your ear, and you're going to start pulling on these tabs until you get that same tension you felt on your test. Now it's nice and soft, but it still creates that nice tight seal on your face, nice and watertight, and that should be all you need.